Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have admin rights and a backup. Now act. First, open File Explorer and confirm the error text so you know if it is access denied, not found, or file system corruption. Once done, open Command Prompt as administrator. This allows repairs. Run chkdskf/f/r to fix file system errors and recover readable data. This command can take time. Watch for reported bad sectors and repair progress. If it finishes with fixes, try accessing F immediately to verify results. If chkdsk didn't resolve the issue, inspect the disk state. Open Disk Management to confirm the partition is healthy and assigned F. If the drive shows RAW or unallocated, stop and image the disk before further writes. Next, check NTFS permissions. Right-click F. Right arrow properties, right arrow security. Take ownership and grant full control if needed. Also run system integrity tools, sfc/scano, and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore help. When middle steps conclude, recover and finalize. If the partition became RAW, stop using writes and run a recovery tool after creating a full disk image. If the issue is a letter conflict, reassign a different drive letter in disk management and confirm access. Once files are safe, run a full antivirus scan and verify smart data using a disk utility. If the drive is still inaccessible on any PC or shows failing smart attributes, replace the drive. That single troubleshooting tip will save more data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.